welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shavonne and welcome. I'd love it if you went ahead and hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell. That way you'll never miss out on any of my eyeshadow tutorials or first impressions. Now, today's look is a lot of drama, I know. I don't want anyone to be afraid of color, so if you'd like to create some drama with me, then go ahead and stay tuned.